In this video, I'll show you how to install the first person mod in Resident Evil 4. Check my video description for these two mod link. Right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this Fluffy Mod Manager extracted folder inside of a game. And open this Fluffy Mod Manager and open this mod manager.exe. Choose game, scroll down and select the Resident Evil 4 Remake. Choose game folder, choose the game's install folder, navigate to the game folder, select the game folder and select folder option. And now select the mod list. Just minimize this and right click on the REFramework and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this input8.dll inside the Resident Evil game folder. Once you're done, go back. Check my video description for this required mods. These are the required mods. Open the mod manager we minimized before. Drag and drop all these required mods inside the mod manager. And now select this refresh mod list or REFramework. Select this one by one and turn it on. Return to mod list. Turn on every mod in here. Go back to mod list. Weapons, turn on mod list. Once you turn on every mods we added, minimize this and launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this configuration and menu key, select the menu key and press any key to open this REFramework. I selected 1. Once you're done, close. Whenever you want to open this menu, press the 1 key. Expand this generated UI. Make this big as possible. Snippy controls and no pivot. Once you selected this check mark, expand the first person. Scroll down. Show debug info. Scroll down. Disable BC camera params. Once you done this, scroll up and for the people who like to switch from FPP to TPP, press the F10 key in the keyboard. You can easily switch FPP to TPP by pressing F10 key in the keyboard. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.